Okay, first test with new lytics and a couple of new caps. And a wire going... Oh, shit. Okay, if I hold on to that, reception gets a hell of a lot better. This is like a foot. And this is...
Well, I'll tell you what, right now on both ends, anything you get going to the basket, you better
yeah, it's doing okay. At least the power supply is stable, but...
Great play on that. To tie this Ely up, we got a little bit of body. This is 90s basketball in the paint, Rick. We were talking about that earlier. Love it. Love it.
I need to patch that. It's going to sound better with that crack patched. I still don't know what that's for. So yeah, I'm going to have to somehow fix the antenna. I'm going to switch some of these wires, like that one there needs to go. And this is also... Yeah, this is not the right station. I mean, it's needs to be not calibrated. What do you say? Anyways, yeah, I need to fiddle around with those things. It's my first radio I've worked on in a long time. But yeah, it's much better when I hold on to the antenna.